Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Opera GX and confirming it's up to date. This avoids compatibility issues with animated themes. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Appearance where Wallpaper options live. Make sure GPU acceleration is enabled because animated wallpapers use more rendering power and perform smoother with it. Also prepare your animation source, a local MP4, WebM, or an animated GIF, and note resolution. Higher resolutions demand more GPU use. Now you're ready to access the wallpaper controls and add the file. You'll now add the animated file. Go to Appearance, choose Add Wallpaper, and pick your MP4, WebM, or GIF. Once selected, configure playback, set loop on for continuous motion, mute audio unless wanted, and choose playback quality. Then tweak visual sliders. Lower brightness or add blur to keep tabs readable, and select performance mode to limit FPS if your system stutters. These controls let you balance visual appeal versus resource use. Make small adjustments and observe CPU and GPU impact before moving to full-screen testing. Finish by testing the wallpaper across typical workflows. Open multiple tabs, run a video, and toggle full screen to ensure stable performance. If playback is choppy, reduce the wallpaper resolution, lower FPS via performance mode, or try a GIF instead of high bitrate video. Make sure extensions that block media or overlays are disabled because they can prevent animation. If issues persist, restart Opera GX. If that fails, clear cache or reset appearance settings. One key tip: monitor GPU usage to find the sweet spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.